Okay, so good day everyone. So for this video, what we are going to do is to discuss about evaluation of functions. Now accordingly, evaluation of functions is just a process of calculating the value of a function y for given values of x. So y is the dependent variable while x is the independent variable. So y is also known as our output or the dependent as based from the definition. And also x is considered as our input or the independent variable. So the process in evaluating a function is done by substituting the numerical values of x to the given function. So function is denoted by f of a or f of x or g of x, n of x, or um, h of x. So let us now proceed to example number 1. Okay, if f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, find the value of each of the following functions. So first we have f of 2. So f of 2 here represented by a function, or this is just the f of x or f of a, or simply f of 2 is just equal to x is equal to 2. Now let us find the value of our y or the dependent variable if our x is equal to 2. Okay, so first we have solution number 1. The function f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now we are going to substitute value of our f of 2, or x is equal to 2. So this will become 3 times 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 times 2 plus 4. Okay, so in this process, in evaluating a function, we can now use the what we call PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS meaning to say parenthesis, exponent, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction, or this is also known as the GEMDAS rule. So GEMDAS meaning this is the acronym for the word grouping symbols, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So GEMDAS, or this is also known as the PEMDAS rule. Now next is we are going to evaluate now. So based from the PEMDAS, we need to calculate, or we need to evaluate first the number inside the parentheses. So copy 3. So 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2, this is 4. Meaning to say, this is 2 times 4. This is based on the laws of exponent. Minus 2 times 2, this is 4 plus 4. Now next we have 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. Okay? So negative 4 plus 4, that is 0. So our final answer, we have positive 12, of course. So meaning to say, if our x is equal to 2, then our y or our f of x is equal to 12. Okay, so also this can be written as f of 2 is just equal to 12. Okay, next example we have f of negative 3, or our x is equal to negative 3. Okay, so let us evaluate by substituting the value of our x to the given function. So our function given is f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So we need to substitute the value of our x, which is negative 3, is equal to 3 times negative 3 to the power of 2 minus 2 times negative 3 plus 4. Okay, so next is we need to apply the PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS rule. So since naatay exponent and parenthesis, we need to evaluate this one first. Okay, so copy 3, negative 3 to the power of 2. So based from the laws of exponent, so negative 3 to the power of 2, this is just negative 3 times negative 3. So negative times negative, this is positive, positive 9 minus negative 2 times negative 3. This is positive 6 plus 4. Okay? So next is operate. Okay, let us operate. So 3 times 9, this is 27 plus 6 plus 4. Okay, so since all numbers are positive, so ato nang i-add tanan. So 6 plus 4, this is 10 plus 27, this is 37. Of course, if our f of negative 3 daw no, or our x is equal to negative 3, our value of y, or the given, or the output is 37. Okay, now next, let us try if our x is equal to 0. So if our x is equal to 0, let us substitute. So f of 0 is equal to 3 times 0 to the power of 2 minus 2 times 0 plus 4. Okay, so now let us use the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, or this is also known as GEMDAS, or grouping symbols, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So next is copy 3, 0 to the power of 2, this is 0, minus, this is 2, negative 2 times 0, this is 0 plus 4. Okay, so 3 times 0, this is 0 minus, that is, our final answer is positive 4. Okay, so if our x is equal to 0, our y is equal to 4. Now next we have, how about if the value of our x is a form of fraction? So how about if the value of our x is in a form of fraction? So let us try. Okay, so f of 1/2, or this is x is equal to 1/2. Okay, so f times 1/2, or f of 1/2 is equal to 3 times 1/2. So substitute the value of our x. Instead of writing x, so we need to replace it by the value of x, which is 1/2 squared minus 2 times 1/2 plus 4. Now, if we are given a fraction, or based from the laws of exponent, so we have 1/2 squared. So this can be written as 1 squared over 2 squared. Meaning to say, the exponent is being distributed to the numerator and the denominator. So that is why we have 1 squared, or this can be written as 1 times 1, and the denominator can be written as 2 times 2. So that is why 1 squared is 1 over 2 squared, or 2 times 2, this is 4. Meaning to say, this is 1/4. So 3 times 1 over 4 minus, so this time we will multiply 2. So as we all know, na asiyay constant nga denominator, which is 1. Okay, so 2 times 1 divide 2, this is 1. Okay, plus 4. Next is 3 times 1, so this is multiply to the numerator. We have constant 1, which is the denominator of the whole number. Okay, so 3 times 1, this is 3 divided by 4, this is 3 over 4 minus 1 plus 4. Next is, we have 3 over 4, then negative 1 plus 4. So, in adding integers, so copy the sign of the bigger number. So, our bigger number here is C4, okay, which is positive. Then, proceed to subtraction. Okay, 4 minus 1, this is 3. Okay, so that is why we have positive 3 over 4 plus 3. Next is, we need to find the LCD, or the least common denominator of 3, 4, and 3. Okay, so as we all know, na siya 1. So, common denominator of ni 4 and 1, which is 4. Now, 4 divided by 4, this is 1 times 3. So, 1 times 3 plus 4 divided by 1, this is 4 times 3. Okay? 4 times 3. So, next is 1 times 3, this is 3. Plus 4 times 3, this is 12 over 4. Okay, over 4. Now, next is operate. So, 3 plus 12, this is 15 over 4. Meaning to say, if our f is equal to f of 1 half, or our x is equal to 1 half, then our y, or our output, is equal to 15 over 4. Okay, next is, how about if our x is equal to an expression, which is x plus m? Okay, so let us find f of x plus m, or the value of our x is equal to x plus m. So now let us evaluate. So we have f of x, or this is f of x plus m, is equal to 3 times x plus m minus 2 times x plus m. Okay? Plus 4. Next is, we need to apply the PEMDAS rule. So, PEMDAS rule, we have, first is, we have 3, copy ang 3. So, this is the square of trinomials. Result of this one will be trinomials. Okay, quadratic trinomials. So, x, we need to multiply x and m. Okay, so x, diba, this will become x plus m will become as, factor out na to, so this will become x plus m times x plus m. Okay? So, factoring. So, ang mahitabo niya, this will become, so apply FOIL method. So, x times x, this is x squared. Then, x times m, which is the outer term. This will become positive x m. Then, next we have inner term, mx. This will become positive xm, or mx. Then, x times, next we have m to m. Okay, m times m, this is positive m squared. Okay, so that will become x squared plus, this is 1. So, nasa ay 1, nasa ay 1. So, 1 plus 1, this is 2. So, 2x m. Combining like terms. Diba? So, you can observe, these are like terms. So, that is why, nasa ay 1, constant, 1, 1, nasa ay numerical coefficient ko 1. So, 1 plus 1, this is 2. Then, copy the common variable. Then, bring down m squared. So, that is why we have x squared plus 2x m, or mx, pwede rin na siya magkabali, plus m squared. Okay? Minus, so this will become by applying distributive property. Okay? We will distribute negative 2 to x, negative 2 to positive m. So negative 2 times x, this is negative 2x. Negative 2 times m or positive m, this will become negative 2m. Then next we have copy the positive 4. Then next thing that we are going to do, we need to distribute. We need to apply distributive property. We need to distribute 3 to the given trinomials. Okay? So 3 times x squared, this is 3x squared. 3 times positive 2xm, this is positive 6xm or 6mx. Okay, pwede na sila magkabalik. Plus 3 times positive m squared, this is 3m squared. Copy, minus 2x minus 2m plus 4. Okay, so then after this one, we need to find like terms. So kung like terms, ato siyang i-add or i-combine. So as you can observe, wala na siya'y like terms. Okay. So meaning to say, this will be our final answer if our x is equal to x plus m. Okay, let us try another example. Okay, evaluate the following functions at x is equal to 1.5. So, ganiha, given is the function and different values of our x. So this time, given is x and atong isubstitutan is different function. Okay, so we have first function, f of x is equal to 3x minus 2. Second, we have g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x. And last, we have r of x is equal to the square root of x plus 4. So now let us try if our x is equal to 1.5. So we have f of 1.5 is equal to 3 times 1.5 minus 2. Okay. So next, we need to multiply 3 times 1.5. So 3 times 1.5, this is 3 times 1.5, this is equal to 4.5 minus 2. Now 4.5 minus 2 is just equal to 2.5. So meaning, if our x is equal to 1.5 and given the function 3x minus 2, our y is equal to 2. Okay. Next example, we have g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x. Given the value of our x, which is 1.5. So let us try. G of 1.5 is equal to 3 times 1.5 squared minus 4 times 1.5. Now, let us use the rule of PEMDAS. Okay? 1.5 squared, this is equal to 2.25. So, 1.5 squared or 1.5 times 1.5, this will become 2.25 minus 4 times 1.5, this is equal to 6. Okay, so this is equal to 6 or negative 4 times 1.5. So this is 3 times 2.25 minus 6. Next is 3 times 2.25. 3 times 2, this is 6.75 minus 6. Okay, so 6.75 minus 6 is equal to 0.75. Now, if our x will be substituted to the given function, which is g of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x, our y or our g of x is equal to 0.75. Okay, next example we have r of x is equal to the square root of x plus 4. Now, our given is in a form of naanay square root. So, let us find the value. Okay, given by x is equal to 1.5. So, r of x is equal to r of 1.5 is equal to the square root of x, which is 1.5 plus 4. So, square root of 1.5 plus 4, this will become 5 point, okay, 4 plus 1, this is 5.5. Now, square root of 1.5. So, square root of 1.5, that is 2.34. Okay, so, meaning, this will be the value of our r of x or y. So, this will be our output if our input is 1.5. Okay, so thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. And I hope you've learned something from this video.